Okay. This one's for Alex. And this one's for Max. And these are from Grandma Judy. Okay, open them up. What is it?
Gummies.
Ah, nice. What's in there, Max? What's in there? What do we have? Well, what is it? Hey, what's that? What did you just pull out of there?
More gummies. Candy cane.
All right.
Daddy.
And let's see what else is in here.
Matt got candy cane too.
All right. It's
What's my
what is
candy
it then?
cane?
It's like a Santa guy, and you got one too.
Yeah.
Is that your candy cane?
Yeah. My candy cane is
Let's
blue.
see. Did you guys get like matching sets here?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, let's say thank you, Grandma Judy. Look at the camera.
Thank you, Grandma Judy.
All right.